Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the Noisefit Track app and sign in with your email or phone. Grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can detect your device properly. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and put the tracker in pairing mode from its settings menu. Tap Pair within 60 seconds to complete the connection process. Confirm the device name and check battery status on the app. Charge the tracker for about 2 hours until the battery reads 100%. Enable 24x7 heart rate monitoring in the health settings to capture continuous data. Set a daily step goal, for example 10,000 steps, and enable vibration alerts for milestones. Use the exercise menu to record workouts like run, walk, cycle, or a custom activity mode. Start and stop sessions directly from the tracker or from the app for accurate duration and calorie counts. View sleep stages including REM, deep and light under the sleep tab each morning. Review distance, pace, and heart rate charts for each activity. Sync data manually from the dashboard or enable automatic sync every 15 minutes while Bluetooth is active. If syncing stalls, clear the app cache and retry pairing from the device list. Install firmware updates only when the tracker battery is above 50% to avoid interrupted updates. Export activity and sleep data to CSV from the profile section when you need detailed analysis. Use the Reset Device option as a last resort and repair the tracker after resetting. Contact support through the app if problems persist for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.